How to fix Shopify store not loading problem. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix Shopify store not loading problem. First, you can begin by the basic solutions. Now by basic, I mean you can begin by checking your internet connection and browser cache. Then verify Shopify status for any outages, followed by checking your domain settings, and if necessary, you can contact the Shopify store. So let's get into detail. You want to ensure your internet connection is working properly by attempting to access other websites as well. If you have issues with other websites, the problem might be with your network, not Shopify. Similarly, you want to check Shopify status page. You can visit the Shopify status page to see if there are any ongoing issues or outages impacting your store. You can try and clear your browser cache and cookies. So tap on settings at the top right corner if you're on your desktop, or either ways on your Chrome or your phone. Then head into settings. Once in the settings, you should find here the option to clear your. So as you can see, you can go ahead and delete under data stored your cache, and this will fix the issue. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.